I'm gonna record it. Get it on.
All right, we're gonna play the reaction game. Miguel's playing. So is Ashley. So am I. Mom is recording. Mom, hold it. Miguel, Ashley, you are from the 18th century, so you don't know how to control cameras. Thank you. I'll give it to Miguel. And there you go. All right, guys. I'm gonna press the button. When the green light comes on, press this button.
Watch it with the train.
If you're last, you lose.
Okay. Keep your fingers on the button.
Don't press it. Just wait for the green light.
You gotta press it.
Green light.
When it all shows up in there. Don't take the bite, the finger out of there.
You okay? You alright, buddy? Guys, get up! Get up, Bobby! Get up! You alright? Give me a hug for that. You alright? Oh, that's a little bit. You alright, Miguel?
What, that 3?